Welcome! In front of me I have Suunto Race, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the control panel on our watch, and to open it we need to press the lower button right here. First we need to wake up the screen and then press the lower button, like this. As you can see, we open the control panel. Now scroll through this panel by swiping up and down on the screen. Find the power saving icon, and once you find it, you can tap on it. The icon, or rather the switch, will be flicked on, and you will notice that the screen got a lot dimmer, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And I believe also, no, never mind, because if you enable do not disturb mode, the icon appears right here at the top of the control panel, but for the power saving mode it doesn't. So the only indication that it's enabled is the dim screen and the switch next to power saving being ticked on. And once you're done, you can press the lower button to go back to watch face, and if you want to disable the mode, you press the lower button to open the control panel, find the power saving and tap on it to disable it, and then press the lower button. You can also do this through the settings. So if you press and hold the middle button to open the settings, you can tap on the general option, and here you can scroll down, find the power saving, tap on it to flick the switch on to enable the mode, and of course if you want to disable it, you need to tap on it again to flick the switch off and disable it. And then you can press the back button, the lower button, to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.